Hi guys, it's Mr. Perkins. Just in case you don't know how to help your child with tonight's homework with the area model, I thought I'd just do a quick little tutorial so you can figure it out. So we're doing 2 by 2 multiplication. So let's say we have 23 times 41. Okay, I'll set up my boxes and I'm going to separate these into tens and ones. So I could put 20 and 3, right? 23. And then I'm going to split this up, 40 and 1, okay? Now, I'm going to pick where they meet, okay? So this box, the first quadrant, 20 times 40. I'll do my easy fact, 2 times 4, which is 8, and add 2 zeros, 800. Then, I'm going to get this quadrant right here, 3 to the side, 40 down, 3 times 4, easy fact, is 12. Add my 1 0. 20 times 1, that's pretty easy. 20. 3 times 1. Where they meet. 3 times 1, and that's 3. Now, I can add up my partial products. That's an 8. And I get my answer of 943. So, it's not too difficult. I see one of the biggest problems we're having is just simply lining things up correctly for their addition. And so if they do it nice and neat, they shouldn't have any problem. Thank you.